So we're gonna practice with Docker lab 3 now. So I already downloaded Docker and make a few practice with it. So here we go for the exercise 1, exploring Docker installation. We can view the Docker version here. This command will show the current version. Docker info. This command will show detailed information about Docker engine, version, number of containers, image, storage driver, CPU, RAM, and Docker status, etc. Okay, and Docker help will show the list of commands and how to use them. Okay, that's what about exercise 1. Let's keep continue with exercise 2, running first container. I will pull the image and then hello world from the Docker Hub, and then you Docker run to create and run a container from this image. Okay, so that's it for exercise 2. We can actually see the new container that appear on the Docker desktop here. Just create. Okay, so for exercise 3, working with Docker image and some commands, we start with pull the image Ubuntu. Check the image that we have. I have a lot of image that I already pulled from the Docker Hub. So here the Ubuntu here. So we will create and run the container with the image Ubuntu. And then the command inside to see the list. This will see the files in folder pwd to see the current path and exit to exit. Okay, now is some commands. Docker ps. Okay, to show the list of the running command, the running containers. However, I didn't have any running right now, so to see it, we will see the all the containers, including running and stop. See, this is all the container that I just create and already create in my last project. We can also stop a running container by the command stop. is docker stop, and then can copy the ID here. Okay. Stop it. It will return the ID that you stop. That means it's a set. You can also remove uh, container by docker remove, and then the container IDs. Let's see. I will remove the first the hello was previously here. Okay. This one 6 hours ago. I will remove this one. Okay, and continue with exercise 4, building and custom customer image for simple web page. Okay, create a project folder with Docker web app. Okay, no, sorry. The folder name Docker web app. Okay, I will create okay, let delete this one. Open it. Okay, let's create this one here. Folder name Docker web app, and inside it a file index.html. Okay. We will open it in the VS Code. Okay, I got an index.html here, and then put all the content. Okay. Here. Change my name here. Save. Then create another file called Docker file. Okay. Inside it, I will add the information. Save it. Okay, I think I'm done with the VS Code. The next step is build an image, name my web image. Okay, it's failed to build. Happen. I see where the problem. I forgot to go into my path. Okay, now I can do it again. View the image with the name my web image. Okay, it's success now. This Docker build will tell the Docker to build an image and name my web image. That's all. So at the instruction, this will download the ng image and it's copy the HTML file into the image, create a new custom image called my web image. Okay. And then I will run the Docker with the command. So the Docker run to run it, and the P8080 is to map the port. Run it. Okay, I just put the wrong command. Okay. Okay, after run it, I can access the I can access it via the localhost 8080. Okay, it's here. It's worked. Okay, that is for exercise 4, and now we will come to exercise 5, the last one. Okay, let's start to pull the image for Node.js. Okay. And then create and run a container for it. Okay, it looks pretty good now. I will see the Node version here. Okay. And then the next step is create a React application inside Docker using npx create React app. Okay, finally, so I will set to my folder, my folder. Okay, and then run npm start. Okay, it looks good now. Now I will try to access to the browser using this link. Okay, I think we missed something here. Let's go to see what we can fix. I think we need to map the port for it. Okay. Map the port for it like we did before. Let's see. 3000 map with 1000. Okay. And then to my folder. Oh, where to create again. Okay. Okay, finally, and then go to my folder and npm start. Okay, now let's try it in the browser. Okay, it worked compared to the last one. Okay, that's all.